Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find and copy your CATS coin deposit address on Bybit. So many persons have been finding it hard to actually do this, but guys, in this video today, I'm going to show you guys how you can do it easily. So guys, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to open your Bybit account. You have to open your Bybit app and log into your account. So guys, now you can see I'm logged into my Bybit account already. Here's the home page of my Bybit account. So guys, now what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see deposit/buy with fiat/P2P. You can see there at the top the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it already. So guys, what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see deposit with crypto. You can see down there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. So guys, now this is where you need to search for your CATS coin. As you can see here, they have several cryptocurrencies right there. So this is where you need to look for your CATS coin. So guys, first of all, you have to make sure you tap on crypto. You can see that crypto is selected at the top. You can see it there. So after you tap on crypto to select it, what you have to do now is to search for CATS. So you have to tap on the search icon there at the top. So let me tap on it right away. Then let me go ahead now to type in CATS, C-A-T-S. Then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see my search result. You can see the CATS logo right there. You can see the CATS. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. So what you have to do next now is to tap on it. So let me tap on the CATS crypto. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, now you can see what's written here. Choose a chain type. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see Ton. You have to select Ton because CATS is launching on the Ton blockchain. So guys, let me tap on Ton real quick. So guys, now you can see this important notice. Let me get to read it. To ensure a seamless deposit experience, please ensure that you use both the CATS deposit address and the CATS deposit memo /tag when making a deposit. So guys, I will show you guys how you can be able to get your CATS deposit address and also your CATS deposit memo or tag. So the both of them are important for you to make a successful transaction. So let me go ahead now to tap on OK. So guys, now this is where you're going to copy your CATS deposit address and memo. You can see that encircled area right there. That's your CATS deposit address. So for you to copy it, you have to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side. So let me tap on it real quick. So guys, now you can see copied successfully. So guys, now let me go ahead now to show you guys how you can copy the memo. You can see that encircled area right there. That's your deposit memo. To copy it now, you have to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see at the top, copy successfully. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can copy your CATS deposit address on Bybit and also how you can copy the deposit memo. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye.